Hello, and welcome to this how-to guide from Quantique. Today I'm going to describe what a QuarkLink policy is and how to use it. A QuarkLink policy is a set of rules that define your IoT device's certificate lifecycle and IoT hub connection. The policy is applied to your IoT device when it connects to QuarkLink. By having different policies, you can quickly and easily assign or reassign a device to use different IoT hubs. From the dashboard, you can navigate to the policy page. We have already configured a policy to get you started, but let's add a new policy. On this new page, we need to give our policy a name, and then we select a type of connection. The connection is where you select the IoT hub connection, whether that be to a cloud-based service such as AWS or Azure, or to a database direct connection. Be sure to check out our how-to video guide on QuarkLink IoT hubs for further details. Next, we select the IoT hub we wish to connect our device to. In this example, I'm going to use example IoT hub, which is to a QuarkLink MQTT broker. Now we can set our certificate lifecycle. I'm going to use the default lifetime of 1 day. Depending on your product, you may wish to have a longer or shorter lifetime. Shorter lifetimes are more secure, but your device will need to call home to QuarkLink to renew the certificate more often. The issuing certificate will leave the default of 2 days. It's good practice to have an order of magnitude larger than the device certificate, at least double. We're also going to auto-renew our certificate every day. Click on Save Policy. There we are. We have successfully created a new policy. Thank you for taking your time to watch our video. Please visit the QuarkLink YouTube channel for more helpful guides.